Namaste Karnataka. Today we are going to see Set 1 Series B question and answer. So let's start. First question. Which river is called Dakshina Ganga? So the answer is A. Godavari. Second question. Park Strait separates which two countries? So the answer is India and Sri Lanka. Third question. Which of the given statement is not correct? D option. The public cannot arrest a person who is committing a cognizable and non-bailable offence under any given circumstances. Question number 4. Cyclones are called by different names in different country regions. Which pair is not correctly matched? So the answer is option C, that is Australia whirlpool. Question 5. Hampi is located on the bank of which river? So the answer is Tungabhadra. Question number 6. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with anti-defection law? So the answer is Schedule 10. Question number 7. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with citizenship? So the answer is Article 5. Question number 8. The article removed recently from the Constitution of India which dealt with special status given to Jammu Kashmir was? So the answer is option B, Article 370. Question number 9. The state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children between the age of? So the answer is option C, 6 to 14 years. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty mentioned in our constitution? So the answer is option B, casting vote in the election. Question number 11. The popular doctrine of basic structure of constitution was evolved by Supreme Court of India in? So the option answer is B, Kesavananda Bharati case. Question number 12. The historic 73rd and 74th Amendment Act relates to? Answer is option A, local self-government. Which of the following, question number 13, which of the following is not correct with respect to minimum age required? So the answer is option C, Vice President of India 30 years. Question number 14. When the executive or any other subordinate institution fail to perform certain duties or works, the Supreme Court or the High Court order them to perform these works. This order is known as? So the answer is option A, mandamus. Question number 15. What is demat account? So the answer is option A, shareholders have to open this account to buy and sell shares. Question number 16. Bonds issued outside India but dominated Indian rupees are called as? So the answer is option C, masala bonds. Question number 17. Which article in Indian Constitution deals with abolition of untouchability? So the answer is option C, Article 17. Question number 18. Sarkaria Commission is related to? So the answer is A, Center-State Relations. Question number 19. The terms NPAS and stressed assets in financial sector refers to? So the answer is option C, banks. Question number 20. Installing an unwanted software without the knowledge of the user of the computer and stealing internet usage data and other sensitive information is known as? So the answer is option B, spyware. Question number 21. Minamata disease is caused by which metal? So the answer is C, mercury. Question number 22. Goods and services tax is an dash. So the option is B, indirect tax. Question number 23. The term CRR in the context of RBI monetary policy stands for? A. Option is A, cash reserve ratio. Question number 24. The heart in human being is a part of system for. So the answer is option C, transportation. Question number 25. In food chain, grass eating species are known as. Answer is B, producer. Answer is A, primary consumer. Question number 26. Which blood group is called an universal donor? As we all know, option D, O. O negative. Question number 27. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? So the option is D, coal energy. Question number 28. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called. The answer is A, fermentation. Question number 29. The micronutrient necessary for the development, growth and well-being of plant is. So the answer is option D, chlorine. Question number 30. The organization incorporated for retail payment and settlement system in India is. So the answer is option C, NPCL. NPCI. Question number 31. Which country witnessed widespread protest against police for the death of George Floyd? So the answer is option A, USA. Question number 32. The largest solar power park is located in which of the following district? So the answer is Tumkur. Option D. Question number 33. Which one of the following pair is not rightly matched? So the answer is option C, vitamin D, pellagra. Question number 34. The mirror used in the vehicles for side and rear view is. So the option is B, convex mirror. Question number 35. Which one of the following is not a viral disease? So the option answer is B, typhoid. Question number 36. Below given countries are the part of G7 except. So the answer is A, India. Question number 37. Tawang Valley is situated in which state? So the answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 38. ICMR stands for. So the answer is option C, Indian Council of Medical Research. Question number 39. Which of the following is not a right pair? So the answer is option is D, Sukhoi, United Kingdom. Question number 40. Which one of the following combination is not correct? So the answer is option B, MiG, Russia. Question number 40. Which one of the following combination is not correct? Option B, Satya Nadella apple. Question number 41. Namaste Trump rally was held in which of the following cities? So the answer is option C, Ahmedabad. Question number 42. What is a Bitcoin? So the answer is B, a digital cryptocurrency. Question number 43. Which Indian born economist currently holds the post of chief economist of the IMF? So the answer is Geeta Gopinath, option B. Question number 44. Rohingya migrants originate from which of the following countries? So the answer is B, Myanmar. Question number 45. Indian Science Congress 2020 was held in option B, Bengaluru. Question number 46. The Olympics to be held in 2020 was postponed to 2021 and will be held in which country? So the answer is option C, Japan. Question number 47. The application Mani mobile aided note identifier for visually challenged person to identify currency notes was launched by. So the answer is option A, RBI. Question number 48. Hong Kong region was previously in the administrative control of which of the following countries? So the answer is option B, Britain. Question number 49. Which state recently established its first Disha police station to tackle crime against women? So the answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 49 has finished. Question number 50. A recent innovative constant Dare to Dream was launched by. So the answer is C, DRDO. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, and remaining 50 questions will be shown on another video. Thank you.